We'll guide you through how to make a dissolve transition in After Effects. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open Adobe After Effects on your computer and wait for the program to load completely. After the workspace appears, create a new composition to begin your project. Set the composition settings you need, then confirm to open the timeline. Next, import 2 video clips from your computer into the project panel. After the clips have been imported, place both clips in the timeline in the order you want them to appear. Overlap the clips slightly so the transition area is created between them. Once the clips are arranged, select the first clip in the timeline by clicking it. Apply the linear wipe effect from the Effects and Presets panel to the first clip. After adding the effect, open the Effect controls and locate the Transition Completion property. Enable Transition Completion keyframes by clicking the stopwatch next to it. This creates the first keyframe at the current playhead position. Set the value to 0% so the first clip is fully visible at the beginning of the transition. Next, move the playhead forward to the point where the transition should finish. Change the transition completion value to 100%. A second keyframe will be created automatically, causing the wipe effect to remove the first clip gradually during playback. As the value increases, the first clip will disappear in the wipe direction selected in the effect settings. After completing the first animation, select the second clip in the timeline. Apply the linear wipe effect to the second clip as well if needed. Open the effect controls and reverse the wipe direction so the second clip enters from the opposite side or the same side, depending on the style you want. Set the starting value so the second clip is hidden at the beginning of the overlap section. Then animate the transition completion property until the second clip becomes fully visible when the first clip finishes disappearing. This creates a smooth dissolve style wipe transition between both clips. After setting both layers, preview the result by playing the timeline from the beginning of the overlap section. Once everything looks correct, add the composition to the render queue. Click Render to export the final video. Your dissolve transition is complete.